Welcome guys to another video in my YouTube channel. This is 1080p at 60 FPS on the Poco M3, and yes, it's possible. The software on my UI it's not capable to record at this resolution and frame rate. But if you install Gcam or Google Camera, you can record at 1080p 60 FPS. And it's not from another world. The chipset supports, okay? The chipset supports, and yeah, it's basically possible. If you want to have this feature on your Poco M3, um, you have to go to the description below and uh, just download Gcam and put it on 1080p 60 fps on the Poco M3. As you can see, the autofocus is so fast, okay, even more so fast than the Poco X3 and VC or whatever it says, or the Poco X3 Pro. That problem is more common than we know, and yeah, as you can see, it focus automatically. The HDR it's so good, the concert radio and all those questions. Yeah, I have a put on a trigger. No, I have a put on a tripod because the stabilization is new. If you want stabilization, you have to download the resolution, and yeah, it's not normal record at this resolution and frame rate. But if you only want 1080p 60 fps, you have to put on a tripod, uh, on a base. I don't know what I'm saying. Because if you want to record at this resolution 1080p 60 fps, yeah, the phone it has to be quiet, no move, zero vibrations, and you have to obtain 1080p 60 fps great resolution. But in change, if you want to record at 1080p 30 fps, I still recommend the Gcam because the stock camera has a question with the software, which is no good for record video, and with photos, bueno, uh, with photos, I think that is not properly to shoot with the stock camera, whatever, man. And I'm gonna put it off with a tripod, and I will start record with my hand. With one hand, this is a stabilization that offers Gcam. It's null, as I say, there's no stabilization, no stability, but if you have to control the contrast radio, it's best from the stock camera. So, if you want to record, as can you see, you can see the zoom in and zoom out. It's so good. Actually, I have no more to say, and I don't know English, so this is not a demo. Oh fuck. Well, it will be better. Yeah, this video is basically to say 1080p 60 fps on the Poco M3. It's possible, but if you want more, you have to buy another phone probably. You don't have 4K at this phone because the chipset doesn't support. And well, this is all. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in with maximum zoom, which is practically 2. I'm going to put it on more zoom, even 3x. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. Yeah, I probably will record at this resolution. In my channel, the last 3 or 4 videos, it has recorded with this phone. Of course, the version of my phone is 40 gigabytes of RAM, not 40, no, 4, and 1080, yeah, 2080 gigabytes of storage, UFS 2.1, and yeah, that's all. I'm gonna walk. Yeah, I'm gonna walk a little from show you how is the phone recorded. Yeah, but for the moment, it's all.